Peace everybody. So, a fact for all of you people. Right behind me is a surf beach. Yeah, here in one of the 5 boroughs of New York. Just to let you know, we have surfing. Let me tell you, it is a huge sacrifice to carry all this equipment with me when I go surfing. But the experience is more gratifying than the effort that I'm actually putting right now to go to the station and take the train to get back home. I think the experience that I had today is one of a kind. Friends, nature, oh my God. So many things to tell. Great stories. Let's keep on making memories, people. It's alright.
Don't tell me what I gotta do. Understand that I'm the truth. Now I'm not really one for attention. Shine a light through a prism full spectrum. Pull the curtains back, you're my dimension. Lay back and just forget the pressure. Always in my life, it's alright. Lightning in my mind, it's alright. See where I come from, people never make it out. I'm a 5-star brain in a 2-star town, and I'ma give it back when I have enough money in my hands, enough for the friends and the fam, and I owe it all to Yahweh. Lord knows that I couldn't do it my way. On the spot, a ticket for the fast lane. Now I'm hopping on a flight to the Everglades to forget the pressure. Always in my life, it's alright. Don't tell me what I gotta do. Understand that I'm the truth. I ain't really got a lot to lose. That's why I fuck with you. Lay back and just forget the pressure. Always in my life, but it's alright. So lightning in my mind, it's alright.
No sé, pero la naturaleza como que me llama últimamente a mí. Ahora me encontré yo aquí. A dejarlo ir un poco más allá. Pues, bueno.